Welcome to Food Plants Health, the ultimate channel dedicated to exploring the fascinating world of foods and plants and their incredible health benefits. At Food Plants Health, we are passionate about promoting a wholesome lifestyle by delving deep into the vast array of foods and plants that nature has bestowed upon us. Our mission is to enlighten and inspire you to make informed choices about what you eat, helping you harness the power of natural ingredients to enhance your well-being. Join us on a captivating journey through lush gardens, bountiful orchards, and bustling farmers' markets as we uncover the hidden gems of the plant kingdom. From the vibrant colors of superfoods to the aromatic herbs that awaken the senses, we'll bring you tantalizing insights and expert tips on incorporating these treasures into your daily diet. Subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out any video. Press the notification bell. Thank you. Our team of experienced nutritionists, chefs, and health enthusiasts will curate a diverse range of delectable recipes that not only satisfy your taste buds but also nourish your body from the inside out. Whether you're seeking to boost your immunity, manage weight, improve digestion, or simply revitalize your energy levels, Food Plants Health has something for everyone. Discover the science-backed benefits of each ingredient and how it supports various aspects of your health. From ancient remedies to cutting-edge research, we leave no stone unturned in unraveling the mysteries behind the food-plant health connection. So, if you're eager to cultivate a healthier and more vibrant life, hit that subscribe button and be prepared to embark on a mouth-watering and enlightening adventure with Food Plants Health. Remember, when it comes to health and happiness, Mother Nature knows best.